Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, June 15th. Today I'm going to read an essay from Mark Nepo's Book of Awakening, and then we're going to do a short meditative reflection around it. Today's essay is called Sharing the Climb. Those who drink from the one water gaze at the same stars. The climb was long. The day was hot. Tom had thought ahead and had frozen his water bottle, so his water would stay cold. But once he drank what had melted, he was left with a small chunk of ice rattling in a plastic bottle. That was when Bill, another climber, who hadn't thought ahead, asked Tom to share his ice. Bill had plenty of water, but it was hot from their climb in the sun. Tom was glad to share his ice and tried to break the chunk up so he could pass ice chips into Bill's bottle. After a long frustration, it occurred to Tom to let Bill pour his hot water over the ice and to then let Bill drink from his bottle. This small moment changed Tom's life. He suddenly realized that if he let things in, he could share more easily than if he kept breaking things down in order to get them out. As he came back down into the world, he understood the three mysteries of sharing. First, if there is time, let the cold things thaw. But if there is no time, let the warm things in, and only when necessary, break the hard things remaining and pray like hell you can pass them. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. As always, let your breath be nice and soft and completely natural. There is nothing to fix about your breathing, and there is nothing to fix about you. This moment is enough. Your breath is enough. You are enough. See if this gives you a sense of spaciousness and freedom in your whole being, and allow all the experiences of the present moment to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now, as you breathe, open your hands, letting the warm things around you in. As you inhale, let the energy of life thaw all your preparations, making you drinkable. How does that feel? In your body, in your heart, in your mind. What have you learned from this little reflection? How can you share yourself with your loved ones and with the whole world in a way that is not frustrating? Is there any intention you'd like to set to affirm this? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I learn to share myself with the world without frustration. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. How can you share yourself with your loved ones and with the whole world in a way that is not frustrating? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.